In this video, I want to talk about how you can pay with USD on AliExpress. So you want to come up here and select currency and then choose the US dollar, press save, and now you should see everything with USD. Then simply head over to your cart, select the items you want to buy, and go to the checkout. Once you're inside of here, you want to add new card, or you can use Google Pay, but keep in mind if your card is not US based, it's still gonna use your original payment method. So since I'm from Denmark, it's gonna use Danish kroner and then it's gonna convert it. So you should use a US based card. And if you don't have it, you can usually use PayPal if you've already made a payment, and you can set that up to use USD. So that's basically how it works, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.